Dear friends, my name is Dr. Gaurav Agrawal. I am a pediatric cardiologist working in Delhi. Today I will discuss a common cardiac issue noticed in pediatric age group known as tetralogy of Fallot or in short form TOF या TOF हम जिसे बोलते हैं. Before proceeding further, I will let you know कि we can diagnose this problem when the fetus is in the mother's womb. We can diagnose by doing serial ultrasound, especially after 18 weeks of gestation and before 24 weeks of gestation. Ideal time is that we can diagnose by doing fetal echocardiography. Fetal echocardiography should be done specifically by a pediatric cardiologist because they are used to do such type of scans at regular interval. Now questions come, when the child is born, how can we diagnose or we can assess the child is having some issue. Now what is the meaning of TOF? There are two lower chambers known as ventricles. Between these two ventricles there is a wall known as ventricular septum. There is a big hole in this septum known as ventricular septal defect. Along with there is a narrowing in the artery that supplies blood to the lungs known as the pulmonary artery. The narrowing can be either mild, moderate or severe. Depending on the severity of this narrowing, the patient can be symptomatic or can be asymptomatic also. So the combination of large hole in the heart along with narrowing in the pulmonary artery is classically known as tetralogy of Fallot or TOF. Now what can be the symptoms due to this tetralogy of Fallot? Suppose if the narrowing is very severe in the pulmonary artery along with the sizes of the pulmonary artery are very small or hypoplastic, then the baby will be very blue when the baby is crying or baby is irritable. So the finger and lips will be dark blue or blackish blue in color when the child is crying, especially in the morning hours. So we have to keep the patient calm so that the cyanosis of blueness will disappear. And suppose if the obstruction or narrowing in the pulmonary artery is mild, then the patient will behave as a case of large VSD when the child is around 1.5 to 2 months of age in the form of frequent cough and cold, poor weight gain, suck cycle and difficulty in feeding and breathing. If the narrowing in the pulmonary artery is of moderate type, then patient will be asymptomatic. If the patient is asymptomatic, then how will you know the patient is having some problem in the heart? When you go to your routine pediatrician for a routine checkup, then he will auscultate here. There is some abnormal sound heard on the chest. Then he or she will send or refer to your child to a local pediatric cardiologist. He will hear. He will do some test known as echocardiography. He will diagnose on that. In next video, we will discuss how do we diagnose and how do we treat this tetralogy of Fallot in pediatric age group. For more detail, you can log into my website childrenheartcare.com. Thank you very much.